what we're talking about. So that is how the name came, and also the fact held that inreality.com was available. So both the things together, we said.
So Shah Rukh Khan starts Dreams Unlimited, and these guys start In Reality. So
yeah, exactly opposite. Yes, I mean.
So that was your real first entrepreneurial, in the sense.
Yes,
you were in
absolutely,
startup,
absolutely,
this you
absolutely.
started with
Yes.
with nothing, and
Yes.
your partners got together and started this company.
Yes,
So
yes.
this would be very good for you to tell us about, for example, how you got the first contract.
Okay, okay. So first of all, once we decided we were going to start, more we talked among us, we were more clear that though Veritas is such a good company, there's so many good stock options that you have which are probably worth a crore. But he said, no, we just want to leave now and do something. So first of all, a decision was made that we want to do something on it. Frankly speaking, when we left, we were not sure whether we were going to do services.
Is there a question?
So yeah, that's a very key point.
Yeah.
Your stock is growing every day by like dollar or whatever,
Yeah.
and still the three of you leave. Did that, it must be a difficult decision, even that if you can elaborate.
I don't know, I mean, it wasn't difficult. In fact, I'll tell you something else, interesting thing about that. So I went and told my father, he's no more, and he came to police sincerely because he was a national level sports person in hockey, and this is a time when India used to be world champion in hockey and so on. And those days, if you wanted to be a sports person and still earn money, so police, army, railways, these were the only places. So he was there, and he was basically a sports focused person, and he never left his job. No one used to leave his job. I went back and told, during dinner I just mentioned, he was visiting, I am thinking of leaving this company. He was shocked. Oh, why? Because in the previous company you guys didn't make a lot of money. In fact, no money. So I told him that, but we enjoyed so much, and that is what is most important. So, I mean, he was very supportive. In fact, he was, I always used to talk to him for advice, because just being senior, has seen so many things, he always had very interesting and useful advices. Then I tried to sell to him, look, one more director level person, Hemant Joshi, is also leaving. He said, okay. He was not very impressed. I said, and incidentally, Veritas India head will also leave. So he told me, okay, that means you should stay back because your opportunities of growth increase. So that was very interesting. But I said, I don't know, if you like something, the decisions are not that difficult.
I think like I said in the beginning, he follows his heart. So for him it's not difficult. For the rest of us it may be a very difficult and hard decision.
The only person that had to be convinced was my wife, and she was very supportive. She was working, she was earning. And I said, look, I'll not get any money for some time. And she was okay. She said, okay, if you want to try. I mean, both of us were in startup earlier. She was in fact a little jealous that I can do that when she can't. But she said, okay, go ahead and do that. So we decided to take that plunge. And so coming back to your question, once we decided on that, there was a company which was shutting shop. We went there and quickly bought some second-hand stuff and set it up in Hemant's second apartment that he happened to have at that time free. And for 3-4 months we are calling people and first of all writing to people that we can do this work for you. No one will reply. Some of those guys will reply in US. The idea that I can get work from India also somehow didn't strike us, and because there was not so much of original work that was being done, product was not being developed in India, which has changed now. You get a lot of service contracts from Indian company itself nowadays. And so we were working with trying to get work from outside. People
This
are
was
not
2003, right?
This was 2003. So we were writing to them. One or two will call us. One company made us call them at 2:30 night, and later on the guy told us on phone that the reason I asked you to call at 2:30 night, your time, just to see how serious you are. And finally he didn't give us work. So
he was not serious.
yeah, he was probably not serious. So we had a lot of free time at our hands. We kept also thinking, let's develop some product. Okay. But we realized there was nothing, someone was, I think you were talking about that before. When we had a lot of product idea but nothing that we were able to feel passionate about. So we said, no, that is not going to work, let's do services. And but few things that we decided, Hemant and I, Shirish was not yet out of Veritas at that time, being the head, he needed much longer to come out. That some sort of exit criteria, okay. Hopefully we will reach these milestone in 1, 2, 3 years. If that doesn't happen, we will close. Because that is a lesson that I learned from my previous career. I enjoyed everything, but we should have had some exit criteria. So I would suggest if anyone is doing that, it is good thing to have. I mean, don't just fall in love with your company. If you don't have an exit criteria, then you miss that opportunity of creating another company which may be where you can be more successful. So we had those things. And then one company was called Crystal Decisions, Crystal Reports. I think some of you might have used. It came from that company. So they had outsourced their work, testing work to some company in India, and they were visiting Pune, and I came to know that phone number. Some contact somehow gave me their phone number. They're like, here is a guy who is visiting here. They already have work outsourced to a company here. Why don't you go and talk if you want to? We called this guy. He said, same thing. I have already a team working that I am working with. We insisted, Hemant and I, that give us some time. He said, okay, come to the same company that we had outsourced the work already. Come there, we can talk for some time. So we went there, sat in that company's conference room and pitched him how we can do better job for him. Okay. And we did not even have a good PPT. We learned PPT. Now I can create a very good PPT, but that time we were not good at PPT. So we just pitched to him that, look, we are very experienced people who have built this thing for Veritas. Veritas help, name help, IIT background help. But we had to do the selling. So we sold that to him and he said, okay, I'll take this to my team in Vancouver. We went back. After 2 months, again there was silence, and then after 2 months we got a call saying, can you come here? We were wondering whether to spend that 4-5 lakh to go there. It's such a big company. But we finally went there, and as soon as I reached there, that guy told me, look, I am talking to 2 of India's top 5 IT service providers. The fact is the current provider is not able to scale up quickly. They were actually fairly big, but not scale up in their this thing. So I am looking for alternative. They are all big companies, but I am giving you opportunity to speak. And there are a lot of senior management team sitting there. I was scared. We did not even have a very good PPT, but we are honest, saying that we don't have a team. But here are 2 really high-powered people who will put their everything at stake, reputation at stake. We will get these things done. And you will not get in any of those companies a person with 15 years of experience. At the time we had that sort of experience, who will, in fact, more than that, who will sit and do your work with their own hands. And for some reason they got impressed and they said, okay, I am giving you 40% team work. And then I called up my partner, and Hemant was scared. He said, look, tell them to give us only 5% work because they really hire 40 people. Then we called up Shirish, and Shirish said, no, nothing doing. So he was veteran by that time. He had built one company. He said, you get the work, and then there is no option of failing. You have to get those people. So we told that guy that, okay, we'll do that. We will take your work. Their CTO was for some reason very happy, got very impressed with me. So I have managed to fool him well. So he told me, Madhukar, he was a Chinese guy. He said, I'm giving you work, but remember there's a Chinese proverb that you can fool your friend only once, because after that I will not be your friend if you fail me. So it was a challenge, but he came back. Fortunately, we have had very good relation with the previous companies, people, and I was able to get really good guys, get them to leave PTC, get them to leave Veritas and join us. So that was lucky.
Was it lucky, or that cannot be just luck, right?
Okay, I mean we had done something well, so we were able to convince them. That time I learned testing. I was the first test engineer that started working on crystal. I went to Vancouver, spent 1 month